Yeah, good morning. Good morning, wonderful fans. Beyou comedy and I can't was right there. What's good morning once again. My fans, I can't called school. Akitiko school. Daddy in me bow. I can't school. Yeah, so Uncle Beyou is here. Tomorrow's my birthday, please. Tomorrow's my birthday. But I'm coming. I'm coming very soon. I'm coming. Okay, Daddy. Yep. Oh, come. I'm back. Thank you for joining. Please share. Share. Tomorrow is my birthday, and here to just announce to you guys, the birthday is tomorrow, so your wishes are welcome. And the most important thing I came live is to remind you guys, if you want to join us to the donation, you can join us. The location here, I'm a kum traffic lights and a Kase traffic at 1 p.m. near home. So everybody around Kumasi who want to join tomorrow's like my donation, you can join. You're always welcome. I can't pay some with weapon live. Good morning. God bless you too. Thank you for joining. Please Obano share. My name live from Cote d'Ivoire. Oh, okay. They have to much love from Cote d'Ivoire. But Obano share. So I'm the happiest guy on earth right now because tomorrow is my birthday. Not only me, every guy or lady or celebrating the birthday in China is blessed. I'm celebrating the birthday with you guys and happy birthday in advance to you guys. Yeah, Nelson, hello G, I'm doing great. How are you doing, bro? How are you? I'm doing great. Cecilia Ofori, Nadia Kitini Bajo School. So I came live here to talk to our wonderful fans. Yeah, enjoy your day. Thank you very much. Thomas, happy birthday to you. Big up to you, Thomas. Thanks for liking. Please share for us. Aminu, not Tiwate. Birthday boy, Charlie, I see you, bro. Thanks for the wish, bro. Let me show up. Thanks for the wish. Yep. Please, do you have a girlfriend? Patience, I'm sorry. I'm not dating. I'm not married. I'm single. Yep. Please, do you have a girlfriend? How are you doing? I'm doing great. Imperial Click. Good morning, please. Nice one. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Tomorrow, my wishes will be coming tomorrow. Tomorrow. So I'll be dropping the pictures for the birthday. So tomorrow I'll drop it. So at least any wish you can wish me, you wish me that. If you want to post it, you post it. So I'll drop the videos, the pictures tomorrow. And watch out for a new video coming called Happy Birthday Uncle Beyou. You remember I said I kitchen pennies them here day. The channel and so and a day. And so and a panel on the birthday. So tomorrow is my birthday and I catered to be out with a video, a massive video from Aketi and Beyou. It will be dropped on YouTube. Beyou comedy. Tomorrow. The location right for the location is Kumasi. A friend is saying Kumasi Amakom traffic lights. Yeah, Kumasi Amakom and Kasi traffic. Yo, that thing, I see you, bro. Share the video for me, okay? Bonnie, I see you. Big ass, Charlie, I see you, bro. Boniface, I'm Cobain, my brother from another mother. A friend indeed, a brother indeed, and also a team member. Big up to you, bro. Much love. God bless you so much. It's my prayer that all your heart desire will be fulfilled in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you, Augustina, for this. May God bless you all. God bless you too. So the birthday plans for the birthday is as simple. Tomorrow, you guys are doing massive work. Keep it up, please. Again, please take. Oh, don't worry. Okay, I get this in the good hand. Okay. So the plans is tomorrow. Birthday, most important. I say, your fans and I know team members birthday. I know you be but ye did I enquire for from your day or more a tree baby. I'm where the muhia more. So my father to your home. My father to my home say me birthday. We know me ne less privileged. That is a more street hawkers now. Omuni BBD now. Okay, yeah, don't worry, he's at school. That's why I only live now. Oh, school meeting marketing live now, yeah. Oh, that's I see you, Charlie, you repping live. Yeah, so Ochina no, yeah, Jane, wona woni bi ho. But what you say? Wona omuni bi, omuhia bibi adi, anase omo che omo. What you say? Eno na nyambo Ochina mpesa mekoye ede emma omo. They donate some food and drinks and also some water to them. At least if they smile, it's a blessing to us. Share. Thank you very much, please. Akusia, I see you. No worries. Akusia, no worries. I see you. Because Asante, I'm watching you. Willy Boss, how are you? I'm doing great on Willy Boss. Where is Sister Akiti? Sister Akiti is at school, please. Akiti was school, me pacho. Akiti was school, yeah. We all support there. Thank you very much, Cindy, for the support. Thank you very much, Cindy, for the support. Thank you. Thank you, Cindy, for the support. Good morning, Maggie. Oh, my one and only best mom and also a fan indeed. Good morning, Beyou. Sister Akiti. Sister Akiti is doing great. Akiti is in school. He's at school right now. 20 man enjoying your life, happy birthday to you, dear. Thank you very much. Please tomorrow can I join? Akusia. No worries, you can join us over there. You can come over. Everybody's invited to come and support. I'm watching you live from Libya. Please send me greetings to Akite. Set Amankwa. Okay, Akite will hear. Big ups to you. Please share for us. Wow. Hello, guys. Long live, bro. Thank you very much. Elizabeth, I'm doing great. You can join me so you have a chat. And then yeah. So as I'm saying, the video I'll be dropping tomorrow is very massive. No be a message I'm watching that video. No, I'm pleading. We don't want to sorry cry and chair as my member life. Tomorrow's video is very massive. It's called Happy Birthday Uncle Beyou. Akiti wishing Uncle Beyou happy birthday with their massive gifts. You can't stop laughing. So Beyou comedy on YouTube. That's why I'll drop the video. Beyou comedy on YouTube. So please, I'll just share the link here. But I will entreat you guys to just follow us there so that you are the first person to get alert. Akusia, you support me with one bag of cement. You go see that Akusia. Anyway, thank you very much. God bless you for your good mind. Okay, you go support. Okay, thank you. Prophet Ima. Yo, senior, I see you. Prophet Enoch. God bless you much. Your brother from Manfe. Thank you. My number one nigga. Yo, Senior Patwa, what's up? Thank you for your good work. I'm watching you live from Qatar. Thank you. Fanboy, what's up? I see you, Charlie. Lucy, hello, dear. Thank you. I really miss Akiti and she should have be with you. Patronate Tuesday, Akiti school, Miss Shaw. Thank you very much. My pleading again. Yes, but something sad. Tuesday for her. Okay, thank you for the comments. Yeah, for it. Big ups to you. Let me shout. Yes, anyone a year Jumano, Patch, what you say, anyone a year Jumano, If anything bad, you tell us here, you correct ourselves. We will not repeat that same mistake again. God bless you so much. Thank you very much. Please give me your number. What's up? Or will you DM me? I think last Sunday I pinned our number here, but DM me there. DM me. Okay. You talk. God bless you. Your new age, massive grace, your health and long life. Thank you very much. Good morning, Asofoken. You can join us so we have a chat. Handsome boy, Cindy, I see you. Thank you, Cindy. Much love, dear. Much love. Prophets. Okay, dear me, Prophet. I will chat about it. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Thank you very much, Insha. AMG Patwa. What's up, guys? Up on boss. Thank you, Charlie. So tomorrow is my birthday. It's my birthday. I say, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I was saying. Oh, thank you, Maggie. I'm waiting for a present. God bless you. Maggie, let me show up. Happy birthday, dear. Age Grace. Thank you. So your wishes are accepted tomorrow. Your wishes for us, no? For me, it's accepted. Let me watch Ochina Abraham Onimpa and I'm watching. Yeah. God bless you too. So the plan is donating to the needy. Tomorrow I'll be donating to the needy. If you want to support, you can support us. Yeah, I think Mama Mavis, God bless you for the support. And from the UK, Mama Mavis UK, and my dear Mavis from Australia. Also, Ma Juliana from Italy. I mean, Shama for your effort you guys have put for us to do this. Please, where is Akete? Akete is at school. I'm sorry. Please, I want to marry Akete. Hey, Fatwa, hey, Fatwa, sit on, person. Long life, thank you. El Capitano Junior, thank you for the wish. So tomorrow the pictures will be dropping, and I let this birthday be a massive for me. I mean, Shamopa. On my birthday, when you feel mommy, just the wishes will come, the wishes, the sharing. Because any easy, yeah. Thank you very much, Roots. You can join us. Happy birthday to you, Beyou. God bless you, Felicia. Wow, like Akete. Thank you, however. Okay. Thanks for joining. Pacho ba no share. Ba no ide na wa share Pacho. Let me show munina. The love is deep. 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 Thank you very much for the love. Yep. Happy birthday, Beyou. Thank you. Long to you, Akete. Big ups to you. Thank you. I need your WhatsApp number. Y'all talk. DM me, okay? DM me, okay? Y'all talk. DM me, okay? I see you. I think Akete will give you Gary and sugar. Let's wait and see, Lucy. Let's wait and see. This video coming. No, this video is very massive. This comedy is very massive. Akete beche me dey. O beche me so ne pano ni bia na dabi. Na dey no beche me. Let's wait and see tomorrow. Keep on supporting Beyou Comedy. I'm sure. Wow. But so if you want to support Beyou Comedy, you can support us with our donation. Your little amount can help us do, let's say, better things, like more. You understand? Yeah, regards to you guys. So the number will be pinned there, bro. You have to go all over in Ghana, especially Western region. Takwa. We'll be doing some program very soon. Okay, now okay. Nana, do you have to go over Ghana? Are you really? My God. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah, cool. I know what you try to say. Online, you be keeping Pacho.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you. Beyou, your bedroom crowd be thank you. Hey, what to but that's it. So Charlie, what's up? Let's talk. I'm listening to you, okay?
God bless you and support Akete in everything they do.
Okay. I'm sure. Mary, please, Akete is at school. I'm sorry, Akete is not here.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, let's go. Thank you. You can help. Let me share more. Tomorrow is my birthday, and then so big up to you. Just share for us. Let me share more. Tomorrow is the birthday. Birthday is coming live in college. Just watch out.